plant. You're supposed to be placing your dirt in here.
When you get finished with that side, we're gonna trade sides, and then we come in and fill from the rear. My name is Davey. Life got crazy. I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama missed her baby. Now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.
What are you doing? Woohoo! Now you can rest. Yeah, you would. That's 'cause you're young. Take a break.
To come and pull them up. They didn't last until the fall. Nothing left. The sun goes down, and then we are back where we found. Oh, the circle of flowers. Yeah, we're gonna pull them out. Pulling them out of the ground. These ones are still kind of happy. Well, they're not really happy because look how much they're leaning. I overwatered them, and then they were like, we can't stand that. Now I'm just gonna take them out because they're leaning and dying. But while I'm taking them out, I am cutting off the heads so that I can replant those next season. So I'm just gonna literally just throw the whole, well, probably chop it up into a couple pieces, but just throw the whole thing on the ground. It's like its own seed planter. Look at all those seeds. So interesting looking, huh? This one's more dry.
Oh, there you go. They don't have much of a root ball, do they?
I don't think I planted them very deep.
Oh.
It's so pretty. I might give that to some.
That'll do it.
Look at this one.
I've already been to the lab fighting the crowds this morning.
What lab?
Sending to blood.
Oh, you went to get blood already?
Yep.
Dang it.
6 o'clock.
Here, hold this. Hold it while I'm cutting this real quick.
Okay.
Oh, no.
There they are. Okay. Oh, is this recording my voice?
Sure is.
Ah. So I don't want to say dirty words and like fuck, like doolally. That's your, you know, guys got a doolally, girls got a pootinanny, and everybody's got a patootie.
That's so funny. After taking the sunflower stalks out of the ground, we didn't know what to do with them, so we decided to bury those stalks on the side of the yard as compost. Lo and behold, sunflowers started sprouting from those stalks, whether it be the heads that were left or, I guess, out of the stalk itself. I don't know. So we're letting them grow, and it's going to be beautiful. We're transplanting our sunflowers that came from a sunflower head that was in our front yard bed. And now they're growing here.
Yes. Oh,
Did you hurt yourself? Oh, she broke.
dang it. I broke my little shovel thing.
How'd you do that?
I'm gonna dig this one out. Dang it. Shoot! That's what happens when you use stuff
Look, this is a big one.
not for what it's for.
Never judge a book by a book. Wait, never judge a book by its cover, because you're likely to see not everything is exactly what it seems. Never ever judge a book by its cover.
Then I was trying to like kind of not mess with too many in one spot so that way
So you don't ruin the roots.
so they could recover from messing with them. Like this group here is going to be a lot.
Oh, it looks like those grow on the other side of the fabric. Does that look like sunflower?
Looks like a weed. Smell it. It doesn't look like a sunflower.
I don't think it's sunflower, but it may not be a weed either, though.
Hmm.
What else could it be in this pile?
Weed? Oh, it could be some basil or something.
Oh, I did dump seeds just randomly. I don't remember putting basil down anywhere.
I don't know, but look, there's more.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll leave those and we'll see what they are. Because they're the biggest ones, but this is kind of already up.
Why don't you want to stand for me? Stand for me! Come on and stand for me!
We're so dumb. What is that called?
Come on and stand for me!
I wonder what those are. Maybe it's a different kind of sunflower.
Could be, but... Could be. Or maybe it's just growing differently because of the weather?
No, it's probably different kinds because you did do a bunch of different kinds of stuff, and the stem looks like a sunflower. Cause look, that's what those sunflower stems look like. Oh, you can tell. I think it's gonna rain.
Why? Because the nip in the air?
Yup.
You think we should cover up our, what are those called? The collards? The ones in the pots?
No, they're doing good.
What about the rain?
They like water. Well, we're gonna know what these are sooner or later. You want more pot?
Yeah, down here. I didn't put any, what you call it, in them. Is that stuff? Should I put more dirt in this one, or is that good?
That's probably good. Let me see it. Get this grass out of it. Maybe I'll put these in the middle of here so we have a nice spot for them. See, now this would have been a good greenhouse because then we could just stick all of our plants in here. But those colors are doing so good. Look how big the leaves are. And I think some of them are different kind of collard green because they look different. Like some have a purple stem at the bottom.
I think that's from it being cold.
It's a different kind because remember I had got some from
Oh, that woman?
different places. No, not that woman. A different, like I got some from that thing that I got like 100 seeds from, and then I bought more from like different people.
Different places.
Different people, different places.
Have you ever seen Showgirls?
No?
Oh
I
my.
don't even want to.
You need to. It's such a good movie.
I don't believe you.
It really is, though. Like, if you watch it from the perspective of what it is to be a just trying to make it, it's good.
Well, I'm not gonna watch it from that perspective.
What would you watch it from? The perspective of what? Because I'll tell you, from any angle, it's a really good movie.
Really? I'm gonna go watch it. Isn't it old?
Yeah, it's so
I
good.
really ain't gonna watch it. I never had a desire to watch it.
You know what, though? Is I'm coming up with my own rendition of it. I mean, my own sequel for it.
So you're gonna be Showboys?
No, it's gonna be Naomi's Pride. She's gonna. So she used to work at the Cheetah, which is a strip club. So she's gonna have a dance school now, and it's called Naomi's Pride. I want to see if she'll do it, because she hasn't acted in a long time.
Who is she?
Remember Jessie from Saved by the Bell?
Mm-hmm.
It was her.
Oh, no, I know I wasn't gonna watch it.
Oh, it's so good though. It's so good. She's so good. It sucks that and that movie is what ruined her career, or that's what they say. But it was so good.
If it was good, why did it ruin her career?
Because the way the director had her play it, it was very over the top. But what they missed out on is that it was purposely done, and so they took it as her being a bad actress.
That's bad.
Yeah.
Because now her career's over.
The only thing I had really saw her in was
And it's the director's fault.
what was the name of that movie? Sex and the City. When they made the movie, she was in it.
Never seen that
Oh
either.
no, she was in the First Wives Club. That's what she was in.
I remember. Who was she in the First Wives Club?
The new girlfriend.
Was she? I didn't even pay attention to her.
Well, yeah, she's not a bad actress. It's just the roles she gets. She's either
Like a nobody.
yeah, but she's so good.
She'd appreciate you saying that. You should shout out to her.
We had so many sunflower plants that sprouted from the one sunflower head that got wet. It was the only one that we had saved. But it sprouted so many we didn't know what to do with them. So I stuck them around the yard. We chose different places. We took some to the other property. We put some along the fence, along the My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.